In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to draw a banner in the Photoshop. But before proceeding, I would like to tell you that this is my first ever video on graphic designing. So drop a like on it, and if you want more graphic designing video, then drop a comment. So let's start. First, we will open Adobe Photoshop. And we will create a new project in it, and in it we will select the width as 2560 and the height as 21440. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle with the same width of the project, but height will be 423. Give it black color. Now draw another rectangle with the same height, but width will be different. It will be 1880 something. Place it on the top of the previous rectangle. Now draw another rectangle of the same height, but width will be 1550. Place it on the top of previous rectangle. Also, don't give them any stroke. Now select all three of them. And in the upper portion, click on the three dot section and make sure that canvas is selected. Then align on top and then on bottom, so that they come in all in one line. Now in the view section, click on view from shape. Now it will be viewed from shape, so we don't need it the shape anymore, so we will delete the shapes. Now the canvas is being lined, so we will draw another rectangle on the in the center by any width and height you want. Now fill in with any color you want. I will fill it with red. Now in the body, click on Ctrl T and press on Ctrl and drag it from the edges so that it becomes some like parallelogram shape. Now open the Ellipse tool and draw a circle there. Give the circle black color. Now I have my channel profile. I will drag profile picture. I will drag it in the Photoshop. Now drag the profile picture and place it on the circle. Adjust it so that it fits completely in the circle. Now to make it visible in the circle, we will create clipping mask on this layer. To create clipping mask, just right click on this layer. Just right click on this layer and create the option create clipping mask. It will be completely fit in that circle. Now if you want to create stroke in that layer, double click on this layer and make sure the stroke is selected and click any color of stroke you want. I will click red. Adjust its size so that neither it's too large nor too small. Now crop it. Now we will draw another rectangle by the rectangle tool. Give it black color. Any color you want, you can give it. Now select it and from control, and by pressing on control you can drag the corner so one side become like parallelogram. And now open the text tool and type in your channel name. My channel name is LS6 Tech, so I will type LS6 Tech. You can give any color to the text. I will give white so it is visible on black. I will type first LS6. Place it there. Now by now you can see that I have given the font Gotham because it is my favorite. You can download the Gotham font from Google. Now drag it by pressing on Alt and drag it. You can copy the layer. Now give the second name to it. You can give another color to the second text. I will give it black so that it becomes something beautiful. Now take rectangle tool and draw another small rectangle where I am drawing. Give it white color so that it becomes visible in red. Now open the text tool. And in text tool you can write any information you want. Like I am writing high-tech videos because I upload videos related to tech. Give the font a smaller size. Now drag this text into the white rectangle we have drawn. Now I have a social media PNG I have downloaded from Google. Drag it on Photoshop. Now drag these three icons into the banner. Adjust its size. Now we have given our banner a final appearance. Now if you want to change the background color, just select a background color and then click the background layer and select a background color and then click on Alt, press backspace. The background color is changed. So this is the final look of our banner. You can see it. I am zooming it. So you can export it. I have already exported it, so I will not export it again. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more graphics videos.